Oh, it's arrived. My dad the humidifier. I should unbox this, but it seems like a lot of pressure. I'm gonna need help for this one. Hey! LIL G! Yeah. Wanna help me unbox my dad the humidifier?
Alright. Yeah, so the Big G humidifier, it's got LED lights to illuminate the breath to look just like Big G. So enough yakking, let's plug in this bad boy and come on, I'll show you how it works. You pour on the water using a special cup and you press the button on the spines there and you fire it up. But make sure you don't fill it up too much, or it won't work properly. Sweet.
It's so hypnotizing. I can gaze at it for hours.
Yeah, the Godzilla humidifier. It's worth it for any G fan. It's cute, it's a great collectible, and it makes a great centerpiece. And especially if you want company over to show it off. Yeah. Are you just gonna nod at everything I say? Stop. Yeah, so what else is there to say about this thing? It's great. It's got a cute chibi design there. Yeah, actually, it kind of looks like me. Yeah. Hey.
Oh, it kind of looks like me. So there you have it. My dad the humidifier. I'd highly recommend it for any G fan. But be careful if you have it on and with no background noise and you're deep in thought or doing something and it runs out of water. It makes these footsteps are so scary. I almost went into nuclear meltdown. But yeah, 5 out of 5. Do we even have a rating system? We have to figure something out. Well, that's the way it is.
Yeah.